Anyway, guys, it has been a while since I have done an intro to a video right here in this spot, but I'm very excited for today because me and one of my friends, my friend Jesse and I, we are going to the Jefferson hill climb, which is the dirt bike thing where they go up a really steep hill. And me and him went together the past 2 years, which was fun. And gonna be another fun year at it. So next clip will be once we get there.
And that did not work out as he planned. On a CRF 450, who's sponsored by Engine Light After. I'll start over here with Jake. Jake Austin, man, you really had a great ride. You know, they came out swinging. I didn't expect anything less from the two gentlemen. You were right. But man, you know, are you surprised about how it rolled out today, or did you think you were right in the mix the whole time?
I was pretty solid the whole time, all day, and didn't expect anything less from these two guys. So I didn't really have many expectations coming into the day, and then when I rolled up and seen the hills a little different, I was like, oh, well, we'll try our best. So we did, and still got a podium, so I'm happy about it.
Well, if you started off the season right, you know you're going to get into point six right in the back, and that automatically puts the target on your back. You know, coming up with round two, you got to change it up, you got to mix anything up, or you're just going to show up and roll with it.
Show up and roll with it. Usually what I like to do anyway.
You East Coast dogs, I'll tell you. I'm sure you got some people you want to thank today.
Yeah, definitely Dave at 5'5" for putting me on some good equipment. And I got reference with Eastside Dogs, Britain Street Service, Fish Design, RPM, Hydropower, Scott, Dangerously Delicious Pies, Enzo Suspension.
How you perform, because you managed to. I don't think I'm surprised. We've all seen you be on the podium many times. It just absolutely looks great. You know.
Anyway, just got back from the hill climb not that long ago, and wanted to say congratulations to all the riders that won and that were on the podium for the categories, classes. It was such a fun day. I love getting to go to that. It is like a new tradition. This was my 3rd year in a row going, and it's a fun time every time. Always fun seeing how fast the riders can get up the hill as well, and it's crazy when they send multiple up the hill at once during one of the rounds. But anyway, if you guys liked this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications as well to never miss lit Everyday Andrew videos. My first video of the month, the brand new month, June. But anyway, Everyday Andrew out. Peace.